Desarrollar no solamente debe ser de hombres, debe de ser de todos.
생각했던 것보다 훨씬 재밌는 것 같아요. 네.
Decide what you want and go for it.
Estoy muy feliz porque ha sido una experiencia súper genial, enriquecedora.
Hi, I'm Ola Sendecka, one of the founders of Django Girls. When I was preparing the very first Django Girls workshop 10 years ago with my friend Ola, I wouldn't have imagined what a wonderful chapter of my life this event would open. These years proved to me that every one of us has the power to change the world. What we need is working together as a community, taking one step at a time, showing up every day to make big things happen. 10 years ago, I wouldn't have believed that Django Girls would be present in 100 countries, and thousands of women would fall in love with programming. That I would see Django Girls alumni and conference venues as speakers and open source contributors. That wouldn't be possible without the amazing Django community and thousands of organizers around the world who wanted to give something to others, share their love and passion for tech. From the bottom of my heart, thank you so much. Happy 10-year anniversary!